These are definitely not real potatoes. It actually says made with wheat flour, so this is technically bread, I guess. They look good. They're always crunchy. What's up, guys? This is American in the Philippines, back with another Filipino snack taste test. I think this is number 23. May have lost count. I recorded a couple of these before I edited them, so I don't really remember which number it is, but we've done a lot so far. Today we're going to do one of my favorite flavors, which is sour cream and onion. These are as close as I could find. I think the only variety I'm missing is V-cut sour cream and onion because I couldn't find it at the store, so we'll have to do that in another video. But I've got cheese and sour cream, garlic and sour cream, garlic and vinegar, sour cream and onion. Basically the sour cream and onion flavor for each variety that we came across. So let's get started. If I missed anything, let me know down in the comments and I'll try to get them in another video. So we'll start with a nice, easy classic. This is the Jack and Jill sour cream and onion flavor. Sour cream and onion is usually my favorite because it's a little sour, very salty. I mean, heavy, heavy garlic scent. My mouth is watering already. Very good. I think these are made with real potato. Yeah, real potato. They look just like standard, maybe Lay's type chips. Whoa. That's a powerful onion garlic. I do get the sour cream a little bit. Super sour though, super like onion garlic flavor. Very nice. I love these. Super strong flavor. Sometimes there's not very strong flavoring in Filipino snacks. This one's amazing though. And it's real potato, which is rare here. I'm gonna go, of course the bag is maybe half full, but we'll go with I'm gonna say 8.9 out of this. Super good, definitely would buy these again. This would be great with like a ham sandwich or a cheeseburger or something. Wow, so good. I wanna eat this whole bag. So Jack and Jill, they have a lot of good varieties, but their sour cream and onion is one of my favorites. Good start. Let's go with one I haven't had before. This is Oishi Ridges. I've actually never seen this one before. Maybe I just never noticed it. But this is their onion and garlic flavor. Much more subtle, more like a roasted potato scent. Does this have, yeah, this is made with real potatoes too. This is like a ridge chip. They're pretty intact inside. Much more roasted garlic flavor on this one. Super nice. Less distinct flavor. Like a roasted garlic onion or what, bawang and ahos. That's onion and garlic flavor. Really good. I don't think I like it as much as the other one, but the crispiness is super nice. The ridges are good. Again, this would be great with a sandwich. Much more muted if you don't want a super strong flavor, but you like onion. This is a really nice one to go with. I don't taste the cream, which I can definitely tell now the first one had a lot of sour cream flavor in it. But this is nice. I would say an 8-1. Really like it. Would definitely eat these again. I don't see them that often, so I don't know if they're not that popular, but the ridge is very solid. I might try to get some other varieties of them and add them to my next taste test. So 8-1 and 8-9. Let's go, how about Chippy? Chippy, I think we've done a few. I think we did there's a red, a blue, and a green. The red is the barbecue. Blue, I think blue is hot and spicy. Maybe I'm wrong about that. But this green is garlic and vinegar. So I think that's a good combo. I mean, it's super, super, super full. For 15 or 17 pesos, this is a very good deal. Very corn forward. Not much vinegar. Not much garlic either. Very subtle, like very roasted corn. They're like little Frito type chips. At least that's what we would call them in America. Even the flavor is very heavily corn, roasted corn. Super crunchy, very nice. A little spicy, which is interesting. I don't know, yeah, they do have some spices in here. It even says fish powder, which is interesting. Super, super crunchy, which I like. Very mild vinegar, kind of a sweet vinegar flavor. Very mild garlic. This would be good with, like, in America you call it like a walking taco. Like, you open this up, put some ground beef in here, like seasoned up, put some cheese, maybe lettuce, tomato, a little sour cream in here, and you eat it like with a spoon. Wow, this would be fantastic. It's good as it is too. This is another Jack and Jill variety. I think they make pretty good chips in general. So we're gonna go with I'm gonna say 8.5. This is right in the middle of the other two. I kind of like the first one just because it's so strong, but this is, I mean, really, really nice. And for the price, you get a bunch of chips. I know Chippy is very popular here because I see people eating it all the time, especially the barbecue, the red variety. People seem to like those a lot, and I do like those. Their barbecue is super potent. I like that one. So yeah, we got 8.5 for Chippy. So far, these are all great. This might be the highest like combined score we've gotten so far. Next, let's go Crisscross. I know that I like Crisscross. They always make good chips. I really like their steak and black pepper. Very subtle. This is their cheesy sour cream and onion. Mildly onion flavor. These are definitely not real potatoes. It actually says made with wheat flour, so this is technically bread, I guess. They look good. They're always crunchy. They melt almost immediately in your mouth. Very nice. Crisscross is another very popular variety here. I'm not getting a lot of onion or sour cream or garlic or cheese. It's cheesy sour cream and onion. It's nice though. Salty. Maybe a little onion flavor, but I'm not getting much at all. Definitely no sour cream or cheese. But overall, it's very tasty. I'm gonna give this one another 8.1. Super good. Filipinos know how to do the sour cream and onion chips for sure. All of these have been amazing. So Crisscross, if you like crunchy, ridgy, like onion chips, those are gonna be for you. I just got one more today. Piaos, another Jack and Jill variety. Maybe that's a big snack brand. It seems to be like Oishi, Jack and Jill. Those seem to be the two big snack companies here. It smells like roasted potatoes. This one is made with dehydrated potatoes, so I guess it's like formed and then cut out into these little shapes. Roasted potato, maybe a little onion. This is their sour cream and onion, just a straight sour cream and onion. Mildly sweet, salty, definitely some onion flavor in there, which is nice. Maybe some sour cream in there too. Sour cream is kind of hard to pick out. Maybe that's like the slightly tangy flavor I'm getting is the sour cream powder. But these are nice. I really like the Piaos. I did a whole Piaos taste test and I saved this one just for this food review. So these are really nice. Filipinos, you did it again. I've liked almost all of the snacks that I've tried. Some were misses, but I would say 95% have been things I've really enjoyed and were pretty similar to things I was used to in America. So Piaos, let's give a 8.6. So our top winner today is definitely just a plain Jack and Jill's sour cream and onion. And then I believe second are the Chippies and the Piaos. So if you ever get a chance to try any of these, or if I've missed any, leave them down in the comments and we will try to get them into our next video. I'm looking to make at least 1 or 2 of these snack videos a week. So I mean, over the next 6 months or a year, I probably will try every Filipino snack I can get my hands on. I've already gotten to the point where I go to the store and everything looks familiar to me. So if you have anything you want me to try, people have recommended Sticko. So I'm gonna do a Sticko and knock off Sticko varieties pretty soon. So anything else that I missed or anything else that you really love from the Philippines, let me know and I'll give it a try and see what I think. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you later. Bye.